guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today we're going to learn to use and review the Bonash iron cleaners. All right, let's get to it. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay guys, so I figured we're going to try this out. We've got the Bonash Iron Clean, and it's supposed to go fairly easily. It says heat iron for 1 minute on a medium-high setting, which I have mine on wool, so that's about medium-high. And let's see, your iron clean sheet on top of a paper towel on the edge of your ironing board. So I've got my paper towel. I don't have an ironing board, I've got a wool mat. Sorry about that, guys. My phone rang, so it's a telemarketer. All right, so white base of iron over iron clean sheet on the edge of your ironing board until the residue is removed. All right, let's see. Woo! Yikes. Okay. It's like melting. I guess I need to rub it over this now. Okay. Well, my iron already looked pretty clean, so it doesn't look much different. But I did have a little bit of residue from my spray that I was using, and it would kind of be shiny on stuff when I went to use it. This almost completely melted when I did it. You can see it looks very thin here, and this is more so what the texture was at the beginning. It definitely used it up, that's for sure. And my paper towel, it kind of just has a little bit of a greasy look from, and I think that's mainly from this. So I guess let's go ahead and try it out on fabric now and see how it is, how it does. If we notice any kind of a difference. Well, I think it worked because I'm not seeing any of that shiny residue left that I was getting before. So I guess it works. It's a thumbs up. I will say though, if you're going to use this, you might even want to go a setting down from medium high. See, mine's on wool, which is the medium high setting for my iron, because linen and cotton are the high. And then silk would probably be medium low, and then nylon would be low. So if you're going to use this, I might recommend going down a setting just because it really powered through this fast, and it was a little bit alarming. It felt like it was going to melt and become something scary. But other than that, it really seems to have worked well, and I'm not seeing that. I am not seeing any kind of a leftover starchy residue like I was seeing before. So, thumbs up. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.